Are you looking for the best electric kettle? Well, you've come to the right place. My name's Jeremy, and I'll be breaking down the top 5 electric kettles on the market today. I've put links to the most up-to-date prices in the description, so remember to check those and see which electric kettle is most suited to your budget. Starting us off at number 5, we have the Royal Electric Kettle. The Royal Electric Kettle allows you to see every step of the boiling process. This is a feature that no other stainless steel electric kettle can offer. The lid features a spring-loaded design and pops up vertically to allow you to fill the kettle with water. The interior of the kettle is in fact large enough that you can fit your entire hand inside when it comes time to clean its interior. Once you fill up the Royal Electric Kettle with as much desired water, you don't have to worry about firmly sealing the lid. This is because this kettle comes with 2 latch points located under the lid that can ensure a firm seal against the inner rubber portion of the lid. Slightly smaller than your standard electric kettle, the Royal Electric Kettle features dimensions ranging from 7.6 by 9.1 by 10.6 inches. Those who want a compact kettle that can perform the simple task of boiling water have found their answer with this one. When compared to other electric kettles, the Royal Electric Kettle stands out for its full glass body along with its stainless steel accents. The glass utilized to manufacture this kettle is of extremely high quality. Next up at number 4, we have the Hamilton Beach 40880. To stay ahead of the game, Hamilton Beach constantly focuses on finding innovative heating systems that can boil water quicker than its competition. With its newest electric kettle, Hamilton Beach utilizes a rapid boil system that ensures you don't waste any time waiting for your water to boil. Requiring only 1500 watts to operate, this kettle will boil a cup of water much faster than a microwave ever could. Once the kettle is completely done with the boiling process, which will take less than 5 minutes if it's full with water, the on and off switch will click back up to off. The power indicator light will also stop emitting light, so you know that your water is ready for use. The Hamilton Beach 40880 electric kettle is on the smaller side of your standard electric kettles, since it has dimensions measuring 6.24 by 9.24 by 8.78 inches. This appliance is even lighter than most generic kettles, since it weighs around 2 pounds without any water. In regards to overall build, the Hamilton Beach 40880 electric kettle features a design that doesn't stand out when compared to competing electric kettles. The Hamilton Beach 40880 electric kettle contains a stainless steel body that covers both its interior and exterior portions. This means that you want to keep your hands away from touching the body of this kettle after it's just been in use. In at number 3, we have the Epica 6-temperature electric kettle. The Epica 6-temperature electric kettle beats your typical stovetop kettles since it functions with a power usage of 1500 watts. When compared to other stovetop kettles on the market, this one will surely help boil your water in a fraction of the time. In fact, it'll take this kettle 5 minutes to boil the maximum amount of water it can hold. When the Epica electric kettle is completely done with boiling the water, you'll hear a click. This click also ensures that the kettle is fully turned off, which is safer for your household in the long run. If you take pride in your interior decorating skills when it comes to your kitchen, then you'll find that the Epica 6-temperature electric kettle will make a great addition. Keep in mind that since the Epica electric kettle features a full stainless steel body, that it will complement a kitchen that follows a more modern design scheme than a vintage one. The Epica electric kettle features a dimension size of 8.25 by 9.75 by 12 inches. It can hold up to 1.75 quarts of water. It comes with a 37-inch cord, so it's ideal to use if you have limited power outlets available to you in your kitchen. At number 2, we have the Ovente KG83 series electric kettle. The brand has released a series of electric kettles that offer extremely basic to advanced features in regards to boiling water. The one that will function optimally for quick mornings is the Ovente KG83 series electric kettle. Since the Ovente KG83 series electric kettle has a smaller build than your typical electric kettle, it requires only 1100 watts to boil water. Statistics show that using this kettle is over 80% more efficient than using a stovetop kettle because it can get the job done in less time and uses less energy in the long run. After you sufficiently fill up your Ovente KG83 series electric kettle, you can then press down the lid and plug in the device to power it up. Since it comes built with an illuminated LED indicator light, this kettle will light up in a blue color when it's beginning to boil the water. The Ovente KG83 series electric kettle is one of the smallest kettles we have found, since it has dimensions measuring 6 by 8 by 9.3 inches and weighs around 2.7 pounds. The most amount of water this kettle can hold is about 1.5 liters. This kettle is manufactured with all three materials that are commonly seen amongst electric kettles. It contains a borosilicate glass body, a plastic handle and lid, as well as a stainless steel bottom. Now, for what you've probably been waiting for, our top electric kettle goes to the Secura SWK1701DB. Secura has spent years trying to perfect the durability issues that people normally have with electric kettles, to the point that they've recently released an innovative version that no one has ever seen before. This new and improved kettle design caught the attention of so many Americans that Secura itself has sold over 8 million units in the United States alone. The Secura SWK1701DB electric kettle functions on 1500 watts of heating power to bring a full pot of water to boiling temperatures in a matter of minutes. All that's required on your part is to fill up the Secura SWK1701DB electric kettle with tap water that normally contains mineral deposits. Now, if you've used an electric kettle before, you know that these mineral deposits typically stain the interior of the device and become impossible to wipe away. This happens because the lid of standard electric kettles are too small for you to get your hands in. With the Secura SWK1701DB electric kettle, cleaning its interior will never become an issue. This is because the kettle features a large lid opening that makes it extremely easy for you to thoroughly clean those mineral deposits away. The Secura SWK1701DB electric kettle is on the larger side of standard electric kettles, since it has dimensions measuring 8 by 8 by 12 inches. It's also on the heavy side since it weighs about 3.2 pounds without any water. It's rare to find an electric kettle that comes built with an entirely stainless steel interior, but Secura has made it a possibility. Normally you see electric kettles advertised as having a stainless steel body, but fail to mention that its lid is entirely plastic. With the Secura SWK1701DB electric kettle, every portion of its interior from its lid, rim, spout, and filter is all made out of 18/10 stainless steel. This means that no plastic parts whatsoever come into contact with your boiling water. So that sums up our top 5 electric kettles. Remember, we've updated the description with links so you can check the prices of the electric kettles and compare. We hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.